Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to use Gender Swap on FaceApp. So let's start. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the FaceApp. This app is completely free, so download it and open the app. This is your home screen. Now if you tap on allow, you can use your photos from your gallery. For this video, I'll just stick with celebrities. Now tap on celebrity from bottom of the screen and select a celebrity you like. Now select a photo and tap use. Here you will see many options. Now tap on gender. Here you will see two options from the opposite gender. Now select the first one and the next one. Now keep the one you like and tap save on top right corner. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.